Hi, this is Tim with Friendship RV. We have a 2022 Primetime Tracer LE Ultralight 260 BHSLE. Got the cool chain hooks on the front of all the tracers. Pass-through storage. Got magnetic clips on the storage compartment doors. More storage. This unit is prepped for a camera system on the back. And these are LED lights throughout, outside and inside. Extra large grab handle. This is a thermal package unit, so you can extend your season a little bit longer. Fold out couch. Our bunks, double wide bunks. Nice storage here, floor to ceiling. "12-volt refrigerator with storage lock. Furion range oven with LED lights on the handles and everything, but when you turn it, it turns red to let you know it's activated. Farm sink, sound bar, storage on both sides of the bed, shelving, motion lights in the bathroom, nice big shower, lots of room here. This is Tim with Friendship RV. Thank you.